Hello everyone, in today's video I'm just going to show you how to find your Spotify for Me playlist. It's pretty much a playlist that is consisting of all your liked songs and it's put into one. So what you must do is open your Spotify, and what you must find is this playlist where it says uniquely yours. Just scroll a bit down and it should pop out. Then just swipe it a bit to the right, and where it says liked songs, click on that. And as you can see, I liked only 6 songs, so it ain't much, but it's something. And you just need to click this little play button here, and it will start playing all the songs that you've liked in a shuffle mode. It won't repeat them, which is cool, and that's pretty much it. This is how to find your own playlist. So if this helped you, like and subscribe if you can, and have a nice day. See you next time.